On behalf of the American Society of Nuclear Cardiology, ASNC, and the Saudi Heart Association, SHA, it's my pleasure to welcome you to our second annual co-organized meeting on 20th to 21st May 2022, with entitled Nuclear Cardiology, Now Middle East. As a participant of this year's comprehensive program, you'll learn from globally recognized faculty as they share the latest information on nuclear cardiology and evidence-based treatment options for patients with suspected cardiovascular disease. The program includes contemporary didactic lectures, case-based learning, and in-depth panel discussions, all designed to enhance your skills and knowledge with the common goal of improving patient-centered care and outcomes. To get started, kindly follow the steps for a quick and easy process of virtual platform sign-in. Open the link provided on the registration email sent to you prior, and it will direct you to the virtual conference user login portal. Kindly enter your email address and password provided to you on your received registration email. In case you have forgotten your password, you may click on the Forgot Password button and you will receive an email to reset your password. In case you have not registered yet, kindly click on the button for Register Now. Once you've signed in, you'll be directed to the main lobby. This will be your ideal starting point. You may edit your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the upper right corner and the notification bell icon beside the profile icon, which serves as the notification for the latest announcement of the virtual conference. You can switch between halls with just one click on the lobby or by clicking the tabs located at the upper side of your dashboard without any hassle or long walks. Here in the auditorium, you'll attend live sessions in webinar format. Please take note of the following upon attending a session. Click this Maximize icon to view in full screen, and make sure to join audio by computer by clicking the headphones icon. You may click the Q&A type box by clicking the Q&A icon to ask questions related to the ongoing session, and the moderator will assist you. Click the Leave Webinar button to leave the session. You'll find the agenda according to the hall. When you click the Join Session button, it will automatically take you to the live session, and down here is a button where you may add to your Google Calendar to pin your schedule and keep you notified. Here in the information desk, type your questions and get your answers in real time from our online representatives. This lounge is only dedicated for the speakers and moderators. Lastly, the networking lounge is dedicated for live chat through group and private chat rooms with other participants. We would like to thank you for participating in this important education activity and wish you a successful conference.